Well, getting some work done on the camper. Uh, Unfortunately, it's a cloudy day, and it's been raining, so everything's kind of wet. I got the first coat of white paint on the frame. Got the frame cleaned. There was some remains of staples in the one of the boards right there, so got those cut, cleaned up. Got the front area. Got the first coat of paint on it. So, yep. We're gonna replace this piece of wood. I got new wood for it, so we're gonna try hopefully to not work in the rain, and we're gonna get this panel in, start attaching the wall. This wall here, we'll fix the wall and attach the wall, and then hopefully we can start looking at fixing the front of it. So it's coming. All right, so this is effectively day 2. This is the floor piece for the forward floor section of my Shasta, and this is the original floor piece. I have not punched the holes or added the aluminum yet. I did add these right here, these extra cleats, to give it some more structure right there, or more strength right there to hold the walls. This is actually the bottom of the floor, so that's why it's painted. And got some more parts, got some more aluminum for that aluminum piece right there. I did make up this piece of wood here, this trim, or this superstructure piece, and it's sort of attached, not really well. I have more to do. And then one up there, and then one down there, and then that one right there I'm going to replace. And then there's one on the very bottom that's not there, it's gone. And this wall should be in pretty good shape after that. I'll show you what else I got. So this is obviously the inside of the camper. Got the paint done on the frame. Frame looks nice. Of that aluminum flashing I got is going to replace this piece of flashing here. This one's kind of beat up. We got the floor pulled up and the remains of the kitchenette area removed. So yeah, that's coming along. We can put the floor in tomorrow and then we can start working on getting this wall up. And we got the tongue area painted, and as you can see, my front leg is bent, so I still gotta fix that. But it's coming along. So yeah, it's coming along pretty well. Okay, well, the wall appears to be in the correct spot, the front wall section. The doorway is even at about 21 inches, but I don't know if that's what it's supposed to be. I guess I'll find out tomorrow. The floor is in, and it's pretty good. So the part's fine and dandy. Well, as you can see, all the flooring is still up. AC unit's gone. These doors are gone. So it's coming. I got to figure out how this over here, how's it supposed to actually be? I gotta try to figure that out, what the angle is and how it's mounted and what it's supposed to look like. Because all I have is that stick of wood, and that's it. Anyway, but we're getting it ready to travel back over to my house so we can work on it there, so we can have a real wood shop.